Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your control console in Heartopia. So you're just going to go to the middle here, and when you're ready to upgrade, you're just going to select this arrow to select the level you want to upgrade to, and just press upgrade. It depends on the levels, like how much gold coins you need. And then I'm just going to press upgrade here. And then for level 3, I now have two of the research device. And I think I'm going to use that for a roller coaster. Oh my gosh, you need flawless fluorite and oak timber. Wow. I have no words. Okay, whatever, I guess. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.